Hello once again, YouTube and audience. I am your host, Ian D. Blackburn, and tonight I have got the 7th card right here for Journey into Nyx. As you can see, it's purple, so that tells me it is the new release. And before I do get onto the text, I'll show you a little something that I had to do. In the tournament, I had to forge a Godslayer, which is right here, and you had 3 stones to choose from: an elemental stone, an ether mist, or Nyx shard. And each combination gave the card something different. For example, in column 1, if you had an elemental stone, and column 2 an elemental stone, and column 3 an ether mist, it would read, whenever equipped card deals damage, you put a +1/+1 counter on it. And there's some more interesting stuff near the top, so I chose to do this. 3 of these combined is 3 elemental stones, so it says this on my card. The card is Axe of Warmonger, and for completing that challenge in the tournament, my card says equipped creature should I say, has double strike, and also equipped creature gets +2/+1 and has haste, and its equip cost is 2. This is very powerful in the hands of Boros. Red, white, haste and double strike. That's like putting Ghostblade Eidolon onto red, but at a much cheaper cost. And the card number 8 today is from the 2nd to the 4th of May, and hopefully I will do another video of this to show you what I had to do for card number 8. So I know that this is just a quick one. So from the Rocket Pit, it's good luck, God bless, and from the Rocket Pit, good night.